Welcome to another exciting episode. Today, we're unveiling the secret behind the rise of faceless videos on YouTube. These videos can be of any niche like gym, weight loss, motivation, etc. Those videos can rack up thousands and even millions of views. As you can see, these animal videos have thousands and millions of views, and there is no face to the video. And it doesn't even have the audio. But wait, there's more. We'll introduce you to Fliki, the game-changing tool that can turn text into captivating videos effortlessly. Let's kick things off by acknowledging the phenomenon of faceless videos gaining popularity. But how do they churn out so much content? Let's dive in. On your browser, search for Fliki. Open the website. I will leave the URL in the description box. Once the website will open, you can see a nice interface. Scroll down to know how Fliki works and you can explore its amazing features. On the top you can see the login and sign up button. Once you logged in, you can see some sample files already generated. We can check out this later. Click on the account section. Inside your Fliki account, we'll dive into the credits section. You start with 10 minutes of credits to test the waters, but if you're as impressed as we are, you can explore the standard and premium plans. Find the purchase link in the video description. Back in the files section, it's time to create your very first video. Click on the new file, name it, and the editor window will open before you. Navigate to the settings section, where we'll optimize your video for YouTube success. Set the gap between scenes to 0, choose aspect ratio as portrait, and make sure to disable the enable fade effect between scenes. Now, it's time to supercharge your video ideas with ChatGPT. We'll input a basic idea, like provide 10 tips on how to lose weight. As ChatGPT generates points, we'll copy and paste each one into Fliki, select the layout. Click on generate and paste your idea here and hit generate. Watch as Fliki magically auto-generates scenes. You can also select stock videos here. You can click on Sarah under voiceover to change the voiceover of your video. You can see many different types of voices. Select the voice of your choice. Under the comment section, you can add audio or background music to enhance your video. Similarly, you can copy the next points from ChatGPT and paste on Fliki. You can also click on auto-generate next scene if you don't want to use ChatGPT. You can see video length will increase as you add more and more scenes. On the right section, fine-tune your video with speed and subtitle settings. Customize the position, color, and animation of your subtitles. Once all scenes are generated, hit play to preview your video. If you're satisfied, click the download button. Now, you're ready to share your creation. Post it on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts and start earning extra income from your side hustle. Please check out the Fliki link in the description box. And that's a wrap.
Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine, even if it's just a brisk walk. Reduce added sugar and processed foods in your diet. Get enough sleep to support weight loss and overall health. Choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and tofu. Avoid liquid calories by limiting sugary drinks and alcohol.
With Fliki, YouTube automation is a breeze. Say goodbye to endless editing hours and hello to engaging videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Happy automating! Stay tuned for more exciting tech tips and tricks right here. Until next time.